Hey guys, I have a pretty cool reading comprehension for you guys today. You guys are going to learn how to draw a shark. Now there's still some questions you have to answer, but more importantly, I want to see how well you were able to follow the directions and draw your own shark. So if you're able to, I would love for you guys to take a picture and send it to me. You can either send it to Miss Ellie to get to me. You can post a picture as a comment to this YouTube video, or you can send it right to my email. All right, so let's see what questions we're going to need to answer. All right, so as we're going through, listen to see if any of the directions were confusing, hard to understand. If they were confusing, write your own directions to fix the confusing parts, because something might be confusing to you, but not to somebody else. So if you get stuck, write a better way to write it. The second one is, why did the author add drawings for you to look at instead of just using words? How come the pictures can help you understand more than just the words? Okay? Are you interested in sharks? Let's learn how to draw one. You need a blank piece of paper, a pencil, and an eraser. Even the best artists make mistakes, so use the eraser whenever you make a mistake or want to fix part of your drawing. First, start on the left side of the paper and draw towards the middle. Draw a sideways V. Draw a sideways V pointing towards the left side of the paper. In the middle of the sideways V, draw a dot for an eye, and draw a line above the eye if you want the shark to look mean. Next, draw a smaller sideways V under the first one. That will be the bottom jaw. Draw some teeth inside of the mouth. So you have the eyes, you have the mouth, you have the teeth. If you wanted to draw a line over the eye, you can draw it. If you do it forward, it would look mean. If you do it back, it'll look happy. Then add a long curved line from the top of the head to the right side of the paper. This is the shark's back. Add an upside down V in the middle of the curve to make a fin. For the tail, make a sideways M or a W with the points facing the right side of the paper. Your shark is almost done. Add another curved line for the belly of the shark. From the bottom of the head all the way to the tail. Next to the eyes and the mouth, draw 3 curved lines going almost from the top of the shark to the bottom of the shark. These are the gills. Last, draw little V's pointing down for the other fins. Great job, guys! So, again, I would love to see your sharks, so see if your parents can take a picture of the shark for me and send it. Were any of these directions confusing? If they were, fix them. And why did the author add drawings for you to look at instead of just using words? Why do you think that was helpful? Or was it not helpful? Would the words have been better for you? All right, I look forward to seeing your sharks, guys. See you later.